friends, today I am talking about software. First, I am what is in the software? You will think the software is the thing it is in the using at the website and it is in the making our the life very easier. So and the software are being said the very useful in our daily life. And the software are being said the use in the very often the hardly and the having often the many the effectively of the several crimes are the happening in the softwares. And the softwares are being said the having the server crimes that can be the hacked over the software take the our informations and can be the harm to us to avoid the such of and the situations so we have to take and the purchase the private policy to use of and the software. So the cyber crimes or the different crimes that can be the stopped done in our the software IDs. He cannot take over the personal informations, but we have take the private policy to use and the software. And then also the our the software IDs are being said the hacked, we can take and the immediate actions in there. That are being said the software are the very useful in our the daily life also. And now I am telling about you the disadvantage and the advantage of and the software. Disadvantage of and the software is we have to take and the private policy, then also the hackers can be the hacked and we cannot take the any the immediately actions. So we have to not the post and the many things in the software so the hackers can be the take over the information and that can be the harm us. These are being said the disadvantage of the softwares. And now I am telling about the advantage of and the softwares. And the advantage of and the softwares are the use in the daily life from the work also. First, at the working of and the system there are been said the many of and the graphs, multimedias and different types of and the others of and the things. And the children are the also using the different types of and the websites from the writings and the programs and the using at the bigger one also. And now I am telling about the advantage of and the software. And there have been the many types of and the different types of and the softwares are the theirs. Now I am going to tell the ending point of my speech is the software is make our the life very easily, but we have to use it the very carefully. It can be at the cause of any of and the several crimes or the effectives. Thank you.